Let me see. What hair?
Like, why would you let me walk around with like a rat tail on my face? Is this like another video? Because I don't like videos. What if I wear my hair like this all the time and went, wait, watch this.
We should get naked and run around.
So close, but nope. Not in public.
Do you know how funny that would be?
Do you know how funny your face is?
Extremely. Hey, Taylor, what you doing over there?
This goes on fucking YouTube like everything else. Making sure everything.
Oh, was that tampon? Is that a tampon?
Was that Perks?
No, not yet. What just happened?
Old lady, 9 o'clock.
Just made out with my camera.